Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how to convert a TensorFlow model to a TensorFlow Lite model, and then how to put that into your Android code. So this is a really short Python script I've written, and it basically is only like 4 lines. It uses the TensorFlow Lite Converter Python API. So this line over here will create a TensorFlow Lite Converter object from a saved model directory. In this case, I've called it saved model Siona since that's the saved model that Siona gave me. The second line will do the conversion, and then this last line here will basically write that converted object into this file name. So this is just a terminal where it's in this directory. So I'm just going to run this script, which I've called test.py. Yeah, so once this is finished running, whatever this file name is, best RGB neural net TF Lite model, will also show up in this directory, as you can see here. So this is what I just created, and this saved model Siona was the model, the directory that I just read from. And so once you have this object created, then in the wound screener repo, you basically just want to copy this TF Lite file into inside the app directory, app source main, there's an assets folder, and you'll just want to copy it into here. So as you can see, I already have it here. And if you open it up in Android Studio, you'll also see on the left, this is the Android structure. Under the assets folder, you have this best RGB neural net TF Lite model. And right now the code is set up so that it will read the TensorFlow Lite model from this, whatever this model path we define it to be. In this case, it's currently set to be that. But if you did want to switch out a different model, then you would change this model path into whatever your other TF Lite model's name is, or you can just swap out this file on the left with a different model but with the same name, and the rest of the code should run this model.